Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am so delighted to be here with this guest design team project from Dreams, etc. And thank you, Jen, for asking me about making a journal out of this kit. The kit is called Parisian Charm, and I've made a fabric covered soft cover for it. It's just tied with some lace, and printable from the kit is on the front here. So let's go in and look at this beautiful kit. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. It was fun to work with. I should say at the beginning too that this journal is spoken for, so I'm hoping that she will enjoy it too. So as I said, we've got the cover is fabric. Then I have one of the prints from the kit on the inside of the cover, and the beautiful digitals in this kit. I love them. I have some fabric tabs all along the edges, and they've got a couple of charms on them with my clients. Oh my gosh, it went out of my head. Initials. Oh, gee, I'm sorry. So anyway, her initials are on this journal. So I've gone ahead and printed one of the lined papers on the back of the digital prints. There's coffee dyed paper, and as I said, fabric tabs. This page has a little collage here on the edge. I've also used a lot of ephemera from A Tattered Dream. This is one of the vintage tickets and definition cards here. And then these three pieces came from the kit. In this little tuck here, I've included this envelope that I made using the Prima Lavender collection. Some more of the beautiful papers. This is one of the ledger sheets, coffee dyed, from A Tattered Dream. On this side, I've got part of a glassine bag here, and I've just made it a little tuck for 3 items from the Dreams Etc. kit. This little journaling card, this one, and then a couple of the tickets. And I've just slid those in kind of on the side. Here's the lace tab with charm with the initials. The initials are on there. So coffee dyed paper, another one of the kit pages. I've put some lace on as kind of a flip on this page. This is some of the beautiful coffee dyed paper that I got from Sylvia. So thank you, Sylvia. I haven't yet been able to do any coffee dyeing from having the shoulder surgery. So I have so appreciated getting coffee dyed paper from some folks, because I would have run out had it not been for you. So thank you. Again, one of the beautiful images from the kit. This was a gift from my friend Eve. This is a French dictionary page that I've put a pocket on, and I forgot to put something in there, so I will definitely get something tucked into that pocket. These papers, I did some spraying with some Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist in sunflower, lemon, and pink bubblegum, I think. And so it goes nicely with the kit. And then these little circles come with the kit. I've got a journaling card here, and then some of these little tags that come with the kit. And the other side of the ledger paper. I love this page. I think it's so pretty, and it's fun because there's a lot of the pages that are lined, so makes it nice for journaling. This is just a little tuck that I made out of something I had in my stash. Postcard from the Dreamzetc kit, and a journaling card, and a tag. I will put Jen's shop, Dreamzetc, in the description box as well. So go over and check out her digitals. They are gorgeous. I have a lot of them, and I have so enjoyed them. All this is French dictionary page that's been coffee dyed. Here on this page, I just attached, this is one of the envelopes from the kit, and I just reworked it a little bit so that the flap goes here, and then it tucks under here, and then there's a little journal on the inside with a little glassine bag in the middle, and just extra coffee dyed paper. I went ahead and printed on both sides of all the envelopes so that there's no white. It's all the pretty images from Dreamzetc. Okay, and then another one of the digitals. So pretty. Then here we have yet another one of the envelopes, and that's tucked in the back, and then a journaling card and one of the little tags. And I've got an altered paper clip on this flip, coffee dyed flip, so that there's extra journaling space under there. Again, the sprayed paper, it feels so silky. It makes it have a really nice, besides the shimmer, it also just makes it feel nice. This is some vellum that I've printed one of the kit pages on, the vellum. And this is the middle of the signature, this beautiful, beautiful image. And then I've put one of the envelopes in the middle. It's just tucked under this butterfly and has some extra coffee dyed paper in there too for extra journaling spot. And then this just flips under the butterfly wings. On this page, oh, yet again, I've got a tuck with nothing in it. I don't know. I thought I got all the tucks, but I have two I need to fill, which I will. So we'll get those. This is one of the garment tags from A Tattered Dream, as well as some of the trim from A Tattered Dream there, and the merchandise tag is also from A Tattered Dream. So yeah, there's quite a bit of stuff in here from Denise's shop as well. This page we have yet again another flip with altered paper clip, and so this flips up, and then in this pocket we have another one of the envelopes. They're just so beautiful. Oh, this is a stunning kit. And then one of the circle tags or journaling cards, I'm not sure which you would call it. I've put one of my little embroidered Franken tags in here that I've put a charm on. And I made the charm as well. And and it just clips on there. And the beautiful images across the page. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Another one of the images and the French dictionary page. This page flips out and has a belly band on the flip out with one of the postcards from the kit. Love that collage piece too. And then on this page, I've put one of my faux front envelopes. Actually, the lavender kit from paper pack from Prima went really well with this paper. So this one, it's a pink envelope on this side, and then this side flips open and has tags and pockets and journaling cards and such in it. So That's a lot of extra journaling space in there. And I've just attached it here with a little binder clip right to the edge of the page there. Another one of the circles that I've made into a tuck with a postcard and a tag from the kit. And that's on the sprayed paper. The dictionary page here, and look, I actually put something in the pockets here. So I just have a homemade tag that says Paris, and then one of the journaling cards from the kit, and that tucks right in there. Some of the beautiful images. Oh, I just love this kit. It's so pretty. Fabric pocket on this page that's got a little bit of layering, and then it's got a Tracy Fox inspired tag tucked in the pocket with, again, one of the tickets from A Tattered Dream. So that just tucks in there. And this side, I've turned one of the postcards into a pocket. And then this was an idea of Wendy at Wendy's Journal Adventures to put a couple of Project Life cards together and make a little tablet out of them with a fabric hinge. So that slips in there. Then on this side, I've used one of my lace snippets, the lace I got from Selena at Amour Fabriques. And I've slipped one of the envelopes from the kit inside the belly band here. Here's the other little charm with my client's initials. This is a glassine bag, actually two of them from A Tattered Dream. I've got a little definition tag tucked into this one, and then we've got napkin decoupaged on there, and then journaling card from the kit, a couple of those, and one of the tickets from the kit. And the other side of that, ledger paper from A Tattered Dream, and then the last, not the last, but one of the beautiful papers from Dreamzetc. And then the last page, which is this, so beautiful. And then this again is from the kit here. So thank you, Jen, for inviting me to guest design team and for providing me this gorgeous kit. I loved working with it. It was so much fun. And I hope that Christy enjoys this journal. And I just thank you all for watching. So we'll see you next time. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.